Hi, Chitra Vasil here, Director of Trusted Pest Management. We understand that health and safety is at the forefront of everybody's minds at the moment, but rest assured the team at Trusted are here to help. We specialise in disinfectant and sanitisation treatments to your home, to your workplace and public areas. A disinfectant and sanitisation treatment is a simple yet very effective way to kill 99.9% of all surface-borne bacteria and fungi that may find itself on the surface of your home or your workplace. Our treatments are ideal for many facilities including childcare, aged care, hospitality, general offices, medical centres, public areas and all types of surfaces. We apply our product through a misting process which allows maximum coverage on the surface. We apply the product wet onto dry and clean surfaces. As it dries, it kills the bacteria and then forms a protective shield, staying active protecting your family or colleagues for up to 100 touches or 30 days. Our product is a broad spectrum commercial grade disinfectant designed to eliminate surface-borne bacteria in 5 minutes. It's non-corrosive, it's organic compound, so it naturally breaks down over time, and it does not contain any bleaches, chlorines or carcinogenics. And what I love the most, it's child, food and pet safe. Stay safe, stay sanitised. Give the team at Trusted Pest Management a call today.